Good morning, fellow travelers, and happy Thanksgiving. 2022, it's Thanksgiving, and I'm in San Diego. I'm at my place, my room rental, and I am making a brown butter and bourbon pecan pie from scratch. I've got the 2 gluten-free crusts already made. Just some water, some flour, and some butter, some salt, a little bit of baking powder. So they're already half cooked and ready to go, and now I just have to take this mixture. There's brown sugar and eggs, vanilla. There's corn syrup, dark corn syrup, not high fructose, corn syrup. There's molasses, and pecans, of course. So I'm gonna cook that down, and I'm gonna add right here some bullet bourbon, about 2 ounces. There's no tiny measures, but I'm a bartender. I know 2 ounces. Look at my hair. It's crazy. Sorry. Let's see. Go to my buddy Dan's. 2 ounces. And I'm going to whisk that. We'll see where it goes. Go to my buddy Dan's and his family's place. I know him from Pennsylvania. I'm stoked to see him. Love the guy. Love his family. Don't know them as well, but he's my friend, so I'm excited. I don't really do the whole family thing like this that often, but my buddy Dan's busy, and if this is my one chance to see him, who knows, maybe it is. I don't want to miss it. So, going prepared. 2 gluten-free brown butter bourbon pecan pies. Coming up. Ding.
In sand, when you leap far.
Dive.
Leap far from spot.
Jump. Triathlon.
Leap far from spot.
Big jump.
Oh, what? Long jump.
This in warm wash with soap.
Why does it talk like
Bath time. Spa time.
This
Time.
air in.
time?
Bath bubbles. Bubble bath.
I get that one too.
That was 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 79. That was pretty good.
That's Gordon.
Fly low, sell high.
China's
Dang, he's good.
It is.
Market. Flea market.
It is. Fucking stock market.
Oh.
It is where black spill said it. We eat from down low in ground and squish for food.
The hell?
It is it is not loud in night, dressed in black.
Ninja.
Deadly quiet.
Time!
Woo!
Silent ninja.
Swear